Hello children, hope you all are doing well and safe during these days. Okay, so I am here with chapter 4, that is addition and subtraction, and in this video I will cover the addition portion of this chapter. So children, in class 3 we have already learned addition of 2 or 4 more numbers up to 4-digit numbers. Now we will extend it to 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. So first I am going to explain what is addends and sum. So children, when some numbers are added, then each of the number to be added is known as an addends, and the result obtained after addition is called the sum. So first we will do addition without carrying. So the rule is arrange the addends under each other in the place value chart and add them column wise from right to left. That is, first add the ones, then the tens, then the hundreds, and so on. So one example is given here. Just look into it. So add 41367 and 24512. So children, first you have to arrange it column wise. So arranging the addends column wise and adding, we get ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then write down 41,367 plus 24,512. So we will add first one, adding ones, 7 ones plus 2 ones is equal to 9 ones. Then step 2 is adding tens, 6 tens plus 1 10 is equal to 7 tens. Now come to 100 place, adding hundreds, 3 hundreds plus 5 hundreds is equal to 8 hundreds. Then step 4 is adding thousands, 1000 plus 4 thousands equal to 5 thousands. Then step 5, adding 10,000s, 4 10,000s plus 2 10,000 is equal to 6 10,000. So the sum of the given number is 65,879. Okay, now come to exercise 6, that is add. So children, here question 1 to 8, it is already arranged in column. You just add it accordingly as we have done in the example. Okay, start from the right to left. Okay, now come to the next question, that is arrange the following numbers in columns and find their sum. So here numbers are given. First you have to arrange it. So I am going to explain one question from this category. You just see. That is question number 9. Arrange the following numbers in column and find their sum. So the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 4. That is 1,23,574. Then 63,312 and then 2003. So first we have to arrange it in place value chart. Here I have written 1 2 3 5 7 4 plus 6 3 3 1 2 plus 2 0 0 3. So children, first we have to start adding of ones place, then tens place, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000 and then lakh. After adding we get sum, that is 1,88,889. Now next exercise is exercise 7. So here also in this exercise we will do addition with carrying. So question number 1 to 12, it is already arranged in column, so you can easily do it by yourself. So children, try to solve maximum number of questions from each exercise. Okay. So the next category of the questions are arrange the following numbers in columns and find the sum. So I am going to explain few of the questions from here. So just look into it. From exercise 7, question number 14 is arrange the following numbers in column and find the sum. So 4 numbers are given. So first I have arranged it in a place value chart. First 10,000, 1000, 100, tens and ones. So these 4 numbers I have written column wise and then add it. So first you have to add ones place numbers, that is 6 plus 0 plus 4 plus 4, we get 14. So write 4 in ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place number. Then you have to add tens place number, that is 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8. So we'll get 22. So write 2 in tens place and carry over 2 to the 100 place. Then add 100 place numbers. 2 plus 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 will get 27. So write down 7 in 100 place and then carry over 2 to the 1000 place number. Then add 1000 place numbers. 2 plus 9 plus 3 plus 9 will have 23. So write down 3 in 1000 place and carry over 2 to 10,000. Then add 2 plus 4 plus 1 will get 7. So the sum is 73,724. Okay children. Now come to question number 19. Find the sum of the largest 5-digit number, the largest 6-digit number and the smallest 7-digit number. So look here. Largest 5-digit number is 99,999, means 5 nines. Then largest 6-digit number is 6 nines. Okay. Then smallest 7-digit number is 1,0,0,0,0,0, that is 10 lakh. Therefore first we have to arrange it in place value chart and then we'll add column wise. First we'll add ones place number, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000, then lakh and 10 lakh. And after adding it, we'll get the answer 20 lakh 99,998. Okay children. Then next question is question 20. So in 20 question, find the sum. So 3a, b, c is given. I am going to solve one. So just look into it. See children, we'll do 20b. So here you have to add 8 10,000s plus 4,000s plus 1,500 plus 12 tens. So we have 8 10,000s plus 4,000s plus 1,500. We will split it into 10 hundreds plus 5 hundreds. Then 12 tens we have to split it into 2, that is 10 tens plus 2 tens. So the next step will be 8 10,000s plus 4,000s plus 10 means 1,000. So we'll write 1,000 plus 500 plus 10 means 100. So we'll write 100 plus 2 tens. Now next step will be 8 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 1,000, that is 5,000, plus 500 plus 100, that is 600, and then 2 tens. So the sum is 85,620. Okay children. Then come to next question, that is 21. Now replace star by the correct digits. Means you have to write the missing numbers. So question A I am going to explain. Just listen carefully. Now 6 9 dash 5 plus dash 4 6 9 plus 2 4 7 and the sum is 9 6 5 and dash. So children, you have to find out the missing numbers. So solution is, first adding ones. 5 plus 9 plus 7 ones will get 21 ones. Okay, so 21 ones we can write it as 2 tens plus 1 1. So write 1 in the ones column and carry over 2 to the tens place. Okay, now then adding tens, 2 plus 6 plus 4 tens is equal to 12 tens, but in sum there is 5, so the missing number will be 3, so that 12 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 15 tens. Then write 5 under tens column and 1 carry over to hundreds place. Okay, then adding hundreds, 1 plus 9 plus 4 plus 2 hundreds is equal to 16 hundreds. Means 10 hundreds plus 6 hundreds is equal to 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. Okay, 10 hundred is equal to 1000. So write 6 in the hundreds column and carry over 1 in thousands column. Okay, then adding thousands, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7000, but the sum is 9, so the missing number will be 2. So at last we get all the missing number. So the required numbers are, first number is 6935 plus 2469 plus 247, and the sum will be 9651. So children, this is all about addition portion of this chapter. Subtraction we will do in the next video. So children, try to solve maximum number of questions from the exercise. Do well and thank you. We will meet in the next video.